To open a savings account with NatWest, follow these steps. Choose a savings account. Visit the NatWest website or mobile app to explore different savings accounts that suit your needs. They offer various options such as instant access savings accounts, fixed term savings, and regular savings accounts. Choose the one that aligns with your goals. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the account. For example, you may need to be a UK resident and over 18 years old. Some accounts may require a minimum deposit or a monthly contribution. Gather your documents. Prepare the necessary identification and proof of address documents, such as your passport or driver's license and a recent utility bill or bank statement. Apply online or in branch. Apply for the savings account online through NatWest's website or mobile banking app. If you prefer, you can visit a local NatWest branch to complete the application in person. Provide personal information. During the application process, you'll be asked to provide personal details such as your name, address, employment information, and financial details. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, make an initial deposit. You can transfer funds online or deposit money at the branch or via an ATM. Manage your account. After your savings account is set up, you can easily manage it through NatWest's online banking or mobile app.